Nagaland reports 87 new cases of COVID-19. The fresh cases are reported from 4 districts of the state. India records maximum COVID-19 recoveries in single day. Recovery rate improves to over 70%. And Mumbai-based animal rights activist Hema Choudhary continues to remain in judicial custody as she awaits the date of hearing of her bail plea. With those headlines, we move on to our top stories, beginning with the COVID-19 update from the state. Nagaland today reported 87 new cases of COVID-19. The fresh cases were reported from 4 districts of the state, with Dimapur reporting as many as 48 cases. Kohima followed next with 35 cases. Zinaboto reported 3 cases, while Wokha reported 1. Informing this in a tweet this afternoon, State's Health and Family Welfare Minister Espangi Pom said 87 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been detected out of 614 samples tested. 48 in Dimapur, 35 in Kohima, 3 in Zinaboto and 1 in Wokha. The minister further informed that necessary contact tracing has been activated. Dimapur still continues to remain the worst hit district in terms of the total positive cases reported. Though the district is under partial lockdown, most commercial activities in this business hub of the state have chosen to remain shut. Vehicular movements are minimal and there are less pedestrians on the streets. Small traders, including local vegetable vendors, made brisk business on roadside pavements. The rising number of positive cases of coronavirus in the district must have had impact on the conscience of the citizens, as Dimapur citizens have chosen to remain home, creating a total lockdown atmosphere in the city. However, the army and the paramilitary continues to contribute to the rising number of cases. According to the Principal Secretary Home Abhijit Sinha, till yesterday, the distribution across various categories of people were 1,385 cases of armed forces, 1,096 cases of returnees, 200 cases of frontline workers, 296 cases of traced contacts, and 54 cases of others. Out of the 20 cases reported yesterday, 13 were from the armed forces in the state. Today's addition of 48 fresh cases in Dimapur takes the district's tally to 1,659. 338 persons have recovered, 8 deaths have been reported, 2 have migrated, and active cases at 1,308. Among the active cases, 2 patients are moderate and 1 mild in terms of the severity of the case. Meanwhile, in the state capital Kohima, more areas have been sealed after detection of COVID-19 cases in wards and colonies. Additional Deputy Commissioner Kohima Lithrongla Tongpi Rutsa yesterday notified that in view of the detection of COVID-19 positive person residing at Upper AG Colony, Ward number 15, Upper Agri Colony, Ward number 17, Merulitsa Paramedical Colony, Ward number 18, and Officers Hill Colony, Ward number 1, the areas have been demarcated as sealed area in order to contain the spread of the disease infection and for necessary contact tracing. A DIPR report stated that all movement of persons, vehicles within the defined sealed area is strictly prohibited and restricted and under active surveillance with immediate effect. An addition of 35 cases takes Kohima's tally of total positive cases to 745. 190 persons have recovered with 553 active cases. 1 person has migrated from the district. 3 fresh cases of COVID-19 from Zinaboto takes the district's tally of positive cases to 76. The fresh cases were reported from among the traced contacts within the quarantine center at BSF Camp Sataka. CMO Zinaboto Dr. Akaho Sema said that all the 3 positive cases detected today are from the BSF personnel. He also informed that apart from the lone civilian positive person, all the active cases in the district are from the BSF personnel. The CMO appealed to the public not to panic but extend cooperation towards the health authorities in containing the spread of the infection. A total of 14 patients have recovered and active cases in that district stand at 62. Wakha, meanwhile, reported another case of COVID-19 positive after a gap of 3 days. The district reported 3 cases on 8th of this month. With this, the district's tally of positive cases now stand at 17. 8 persons have recovered from the infection and there are now 9 active cases in Wakha district. According to the Nagaland government COVID-19 war room dashboard, the state's tally of positive cases now stand at 3,118. Recoveries at 985, 6 have migrated and active cases stand at 2,119. The country has reported the highest ever single-day COVID-19 recoveries of over 56,000 patients in the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry today said that 16,39,599 people have recovered till date. India's rate of recovery has also improved to over 70%. The ministry said active COVID-19 cases in the country stand at 6,43,948. It said a single-day spike of 60,963 COVID-19 cases has taken the virus caseload to over 23,29,000. In the last 24 hours, 834 deaths pushed the death toll to 46,091. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In the northeast, Assam has reported 64,406 cases of the pathogen. A total of 6,482 cases have been reported in Tripura, 3,941 in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh 2,327, Meghalaya has reported 1,136 cases, Sikkim 913 and Mizoram has registered 648 infections so far. The overall number of global COVID-19 cases has increased to over 2.02 crore, while the deaths have topped to more than 7.41 lakh, according to the Johns Hopkins University. The US accounted for the world's highest number of infections and fatalities at 51.41 lakh and 1.64 lakh respectively. Brazil came into second place, followed by India, Russia and South Africa. In other news, more than 3 weeks after her arrest, Mumbai-based animal rights activist Hema Choudhary, a cybercrime accused bail plea is yet to be heard. A lawyer representing her cases informed News and Trends over phone that her plea for bail has been placed before the High Court, which is yet to fix a date for the hearing. The lawyer also informed that the accused is still in judicial custody awaiting the outcome of the date of hearing and the pronouncement from the High Court. Hema Choudhary was arrested by Mumbai police on July 17 from her home in Oshiwara in the western part of the Mumbai metropolis for allegedly making objectionable remarks against the Northeast people. She was then brought to Kohima on July 20. Choudhary had made the remarks in YouTube video, after which an offence was registered by Cybercrime Police Station in Nagaland under section 153A, 153B and 505 of IPC. Well, that's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. Do subscribe to us on the YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Twitter as well, and stay updated with the latest from across the world, the country, the region and from the state as well. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching.